Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Mike with gentlemanracer.com, and we've been doing a lot of stuff in the watch world lately, and Minecraft and Fossil just sent us their latest collaboration. So let's unbox this and check out these new special watches. So we're actually some of the first people to actually see these watches firsthand. They just launched today, March 7th, 2025. So these are the very first ones that have been released, and it's actually part of a larger collaboration with Minecraft and Fossil. There's bracelets and also some wallets, including these two watches. Now, these two watches are based on existing Fossil platforms. They've just did a rebrand for the Minecraft universe. The limited edition Grass Block Machine Watch captures the early game experience, featuring a grass block dial, iron tool inspired sub-eye hands, and an embossed leather strap with a block textured top ring. The limited edition Deepslate Machine Watch draws inspiration from the excitement of mining rare treasures deep underground, showcasing a deepslate diamond ore dial, diamond tool sub hands, and a sculptured blocky top ring. Both watches are finished with lenticular casebacks that emulate the process of breaking blocks to reveal a collaboration logo. They also come with a certificate of authenticity for each one of these watches, and they retail for $220 each. We're actually going to be giving these watches away, so if you'd like a chance to win, head over to our Instagram @TheGentlemanRacer, find our Minecraft post, and like and comment on that post. 2 winners will be selected next week.